We made it to another week. And that means we're back with a new recipe. You guys voted on this one, so we're back today with a delicious, packed with protein and super easy to make low carb lasagna meal prep. Let's jump right into it. Also, vote for the next recipe in the comments below, once you're done watching this one, of course. Start this one with a mixing bowl. Add into it 2 large whole eggs, 15 ounces of a lower fat ricotta or cottage cheese, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and some chopped up chives or other preferred vegetables. Mix those ingredients together until everything is combined. Next, take out 20 ounces of either lean ground turkey or beef and brown it over medium heat. Once browned, add in 1.5 cups your favorite lower carb sauce and mix it in. Let that simmer for a couple minutes. From here, you'll need to find either some low or no carb tortillas like these, or alternatively, you could use some strips of zucchini. Depending on the shape of the dish or pan you use, you may need to cut your tortillas up. Coat whatever you're using with some non-stick cooking spray and layer your tortillas into the bottom. The size and shape of your lasagna is up to you. Want more layers? Use a smaller dish or double the recipe. For your next layer, add in your ricotta mix and evenly distribute it. Follow that up with your sauce mix. Repeat these layers until you get to your last layer, which will be 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Put that into the oven on 350 for around 35 to 40 minutes, or until it looks like this. Now, speaking of servings, I thought of a fun giveaway idea that I can do in every recipe video. The giveaway, testing your guesstimating. What do you think the total weight of this is in grams? The entire thing. The closest one to it will win their choice shaker or t-shirt. 1 guess per person. I'll announce it in the next recipe and show this video without the blur for proof. With that said, don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs, which includes US and metric conversions for every recipe. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We're almost to 400,000. And of course, stay healthy.